Obumansu Bumugusi.
Umunchu munende bono tore na sentunde ya kabira singi nchibiro ne chinse gatoka ntoka babango kima iriyo ntego sangamo naye yabona neke umbu Jumamosi kiumbukia mangano mwancho murigeria egeto kumurikaria agende to kolekana yabereka okolekana boy gotwanya beka sobwasi oregana kunya sansamurana asekere litwa komanyina ari agende to kolekana setukulero mwancho murigere bono ndacho koletera omwana siasa oyo mukuru wa sebunge ya boncheri yo kabere omujumbe bwenseme yo mwancho murigeria litangana kima ndara koletera mugani wili tukulia rero oyura gati yabaganto sangamo na borobo asema rgoba yabona se kiumbukia siasa ne kiumbukia mangana oyo tutomanya manga tore bona abantu bakurusyo moyo abantu bagwita egarukia bwanga igaka soro botu toro mwancho murigeria ngamo ne libona omuswati yo moniga abeteka wita akubatikana mwana ntobwanchani abwasatiga maego mwaneke ngwere bwemitinyi 3 mwancho murigeria namwe goichani sana aso mwaneke ngwere bwemitinyi 3 gotigara maigata bwatingina kubwatikana no gotaigwana ase chinka chifamira mwana mange wo mwancho murigeria mabono gotaire biro binge tigamariga no mugane buri tukoria rero atebe na kyakurukwa limo tunya kwenda asemba kenogo nabo igobono ase emargoba yabona karibu sana igwenka ase bade yo murigeria Ndizi TV nabo kwatwana kyokurukwa tunapoanza shughuli nzima ya siku ya leo
bia mono muraria onyanja na bakwani abantu bagusingima na aba tegereri bonse na barigere TV and Ndizi TV Elitari yanenkoro kwa Henry ukari umweri by career mwalimu for many days Ibongo somya Kizu University and at the same time nigonde chairman ya Amnesty International Human Rights Commission ono singicho yamangana mangale kwa mno wita kwa bana waita wake au bari ogosemeri wetu command na kukwagera na cha ibagalia commission Amnesty International na abantu bande bari bagwate obotebuko gaba obufana na kugaya na bana baitu egere baremereri bamenye bya manasoko ngari bagofana
biya sana tsanga mangana gukona mange andaka tarachi kurigeria mangana y'abantu kwerusyo mo y'abantu wita twarre video sana yabereke muchoka naso mutanda uno moroki wa university ya Kisii agwasogosomya na bakagwa kwegente kyo gase bigoti byaye asekya motero kyaye na kunachwa na mangana gotoikana ribuno moroki woyo ni gasirwe mabwa yamaga yo witira manyinga mangana yeken
Muraria mangana nari abantu bakorosya atari kemaende Kisii University ne bwate umwarimu manene Professor Nathan Ogech na ntobwate Dean of Students Dr. Gladys Osoro both very in charge and control ya welfare y'abana mangana tayara be university bana ba university babaza ko yateba bunare musekange ibintu byanyegerire nonyene karo kwa mangana umwana akwase university ya Rongo kawe septic tank abana ba university bose bachite umugom so for our university Kisii University as a family in collaboration with the Kisii County government security is intact ebiashara bya bana kosoma Kisii University barabona twanyora kivasiya kikogenda gwetana kiri kisano isato ne biashara ibintu bareterese community ito nese town ito nese county ito so muntu ndubiza bataba umwana wa university ne itete university tamanyeti bana wa university batamanyeti ne propagandists and we want to say we have not lost a son, we have not lost a daughter. Our students despite challenges are on with exams na ntobwate mangana akuna kitu kimefanyika
igo mangana agonchoka no mwana ko mwaro ki university ya Kisii tali yorago so mangana yo bulimo Mwanchu muninga tena mwaro mokore video ya sengenche tabwati andake ntoko yara konyebeka sembe one video bwata mangana yo guchana sana na kiyo tanyebeka sembe igolende kolengana no mwaro ki wa mukuru university oso mwaro ki niga kande buna video yo gonchoka na no mwaro ki go ino yo university ya Kisii mangana yo na yo bulimo aso wango sana Andre abantu abere bakurusha ubugima inki giye kwirira anabasaye kunyara kurusha ubugima sama tukamanga twabira tokore bikoro biko kwa kinse ya mochinde karo kya bonga iga musubate nayo kurusha ubugima otigo mworo kigwa kosoko tigo mwana we mitinyi 3 causes inki giye kwirira
umuraria uwita kwa abantu kwabere egento ke kwirira ubugima kwa abantu abange bono iga lakini kubwa muno abana b'imyaka 10 gweke 24 24 babere victims by suicide na ekero tukurigereri twarra ebintu bikogera abantu beitire mono iso gukwanira abantu generally abantu abanene obugima bwabera obukomu amabato y'abantu go balance n'obugima n'amahitaji ya nyumba ibiri goswana abo ni generally asa abantu bandi bonse iyo tari solution yo gumakomenya asa bana bake ebintu bikogera abangi bagerere goswa uwitoko nambe yamana mangana ya YouTube na kurigerera ibintu abantu bagakora ibindi bagakora bura machezo banyora beitire that's number 1 number 2 ndobwate drug and substance abuse abantu banyura mariyogo abantu ba turbanire paka bari kumanya inkiyanyu bete inkiyatari kunyu so at the end of the day banyora umwana oyoga obere hopeless or potari obere worthless obere useless or valueless umwana oyipanyora beitire egento kende ndobwate gendo gorukunga omunguso bwa bagisanga bomuntu peer influence and peer pressure amuntu atoke kabwate a family member kusomo sani oye bwitire arole buneita egende kigigoche kya replicate kya kigigoche kira nese beregera by'omuntu oyo so that is another cause
igokora buno umuntu agwite gente nako kigocha na buneita
gochira nayo ne muntu ite kuba mano umuntu muri close nere
ore buneita nona na bo oreite
nabo konyora umuntu korengera ringa nduje nyagete mano bune korete bya so onyora ringa neri ryawe igendo kende igereke bwate family lineage
chinderi gite chiro
chinderi njira abantu bagwita in a line
kwa una sokoro yana beitete igo
sokoro yana beitete
isena beitete
igo kwanyora ijunere another factor a fact ende no abana kwebeka asoboge batari kunyara komenya paswa uwamate girlfriends that tari kunyara ko maintain oguma bodia chakere to nyonyore to kosine loan ya help akanyora limo chikoera bakanyara
bakarinere chikaera
bona abaisika bange imyaka ya university na mahitaji kichibasi chiaire amangana ajwa koreki bamura bange bari kwebeka ready komanyanga chibasi jimbwa chikoera uwamate ona obaraye so onyora reason ye unero reason yende tumeingia katika familia ambazo watu wako very very authoritative authoritarian by the way hakuna kusikizana hakuna kupatia mtoto nafasi ya kujielezea hakuna kumpatia nafasi aseme chanzo cha sababu ya kutofanya vizuri so because of this lack of who is going to listen to them omuntu gotega rumwana mwigwe ebirengere byaye amotebi omuntu abukia akonfine na confide amoda yebo bisibo mangana mujande mangana itayo in families
bana mbaire busibore ategera no umubori ategera rose no mwana amotengi kimo cyande
yes because of that umwana oranga nalinde kene ngeyo these things are like this
ninte batini bategera
amangana narande ya mangana ya abuse of children maybe defilement rape amangana ngabona yakaro aberero mwana sexual abuse most girls ngakite yera irane accept so unless umwana yo o origererwa at that time kuiko mwana ya ikemaga yae achibuita egendo ngerekiwa abantu bande babwate discrimination kupagwa watoto kichinzia kimasomo for whatever reason
oyo nero okora byanera
banjite oyo nero gotomo oyo nero bwekaine oyo nero so mwana ndo ochikoriga byonyoranga timbwene tiko baga so umwana kwanyora we isolate kurwa so gumuboiga otherwise ebinde binge bikogera abana bayito beite nebindo edigana mention just but a few lakini nende neta kerenga abana abantu bari batabwate support ya friends and family tabwate family tabwate friends muntu kuma support tayo imechando ya bwato nyatata gitu nyatabwate 100 shillings iko tabwate so kurara jarama tukabiri tukuja gatatu bolinga
mcheke bono
what is the reason of this life
yes muntu bwita andaka singe chibiri bugenda to komnyoka iga inki imanyeri kibiri birororo komanya n'umuntu nabwate birengeriye binge andaka umuntu nabarakorere bwita the signs iri naki umuntu oyobore muchando nora
abantu bawita mara nene nkomanyikana barenga into byabo mbere boronge nambeyemo ngokonyo umuntu yo chiri into depression kera so depression tabwati njara tari kurara bya te anjeti kendo kiyo ga komogoki so bugima
Ngebe giye na kireki.
Nakeba. Namba ya kabere muntu yo bakugwa na nkwana. Kenne nge yora mutebi arore kirege ndaro choro tingane roko okobekero okobegete ko kumurigeria magoso. Igento kenne omuntu yako genda to excessive abuse of drugs and substance. Akonywa bobe.
Otare konywa sero ko konywa kabono chairo konywa etani.
Konywa pakosiria. Omuntu yongo ikaro okwana mangana yogoteba ngana bonde ite. Na gukorande gente kebe. Opakujaga wakira abantu kwa in some cases umuntu ngwakoro kweringa njina kolek njina chi abande baika bakabarega tukirikia ya gwate buna wone nzi ya erengiega umuntu ruzinga mungo konyegende obakonya abantu abaiga ekero ko barra bakugenda this direction na hindi ko gukora gendo kende baba guilt bayigwetenga babwata amagoso yuka bayigwetena bayisayini abantu abaiga bayigwetenga bari in pain abanda baiga igonga bachakera koro signs cyo kore ndicho woje wita egento ken abanda babako ba very reckless onya ndereba kako ngiero ribobe onya no nebintu mwana ko koronye na abantu bakora skidding onya whatever activity bakora bari ko kora bana abantu barengeretinga kende ngirikira monyo so awe kumundu yo we rus moyo otika ko kore binte ebinga ko kora otherwise again abanda aba mono tukonya ba withdraw bagenda konyonya neba ne school neba ne kanisa tataka tuwisana nzana bantu
nakonya ruzi tia sawa
zanetie kando alta de wakati mwingine unapata na chongeresha wakati mwingine unapata na anakula vidole anatafuna vidole
hadi hivi yaro nono wasaiko
yes so when you see this kind of signs then we need to understand what is the problem. What is the problem with these children? What is the problem with these youth?
Even if science chiri go cha sabana bo gosba kanta wan.
No, ego chiri chen rosa baba and ones. Lakini ndese nyoto kwa ndabana. Abana baitu na butoko watch but abantu bonse ba commit suicide. Chisaini cyabo nabo chi ebintu bagokora nabo biko bera direction. Yes, no nyesimi simi yago ikagwaje kumurigi gari metikale. Okonyora clip kiti sinia ye bindakomeka profile photo chaye bindako akomekoro de ebintu bigokora ne matanga ne party de bintu bakomeka bintu bire funny yes
ebinde biko bojana musiama mwakweliga
yes
katu mwanchi muno ganda takoligere na kumanya na andakine kora umuntu nabwateberengere ndo umuntu nakagere buchuwita tokuna kusuka kuchibosiga timatsinga sekene kere kwatira taranda siri boldrinde
ebintu byose nateba kubekire summary ngo bire ebintu bitatu muntu kurigeria so muntu kujigwita ndayemo talk anaongea nini anazungumza nini two behavior how does this person behave because kero muntu mwedu nago behave in life koko nyoro muntu change in behavior
stabicha hichi oncho ndimo
ninge behavior yaye mostly behavior and social ataki kukana watu wengine anakuwa very arrogant huyo mtu utajua kuna tatizo and then the last one the mood this guy huyo mtu hakai na furaha kabisa hakuna kitu kinamfurahisha ukimwangalia tu mood yake iko chini kila wakati anaonekana na huzuni ukiona mtu akiwa katika hali hizo nimesema vitu vitatu anayoyazungumza anayoyafanya na hatimaye hali yake ya kuonekana those three are the greatest indicators of bad signs of suicide
yes. Ngomo acho mulinga yetena nonko goligere na kubwatina andaka na bokumanya umuntu ye encherare uwita kwa yankaro umuntu buyatane kurwa sabantu okabere nabantu lakini bone igata ite bantu era biye kasare ando batana bokona ki na buranya ga kwegambia onyora ga kuri ebyara onyo kanyure oyetani konyo rubuna kanyure gati ya ndamange effects ubube na consequences nchire chichi aso umuntu rgeto chikuita
umararia naye yanirake kiagera tagete kurigereria abana baitu n'abantu baminta samaiso uweita tikori ikibu y'imecano yaito umuntu yo weita nyina abana mise abana usubati mu ababantu mumburo mu ababantu n'umuntu we community na ntegemeo nene ye family ne community so kumonte ita umuntu yo oretera sare nene economically socially and all dynamics of life kiri ntekitangana igendo gya kabere ndagete tumanye nga omuntu origereirie esiri okirororera so muntu engentete so muntu erutete gesima abe nakuruzwe gesima no muntu mina kurugesima bone sese uno mwana omine sungete ali angoli buna ange bune kebengi n'abantu buna bakoba muntu related naye takweba manganayo igara muhaunt for long haya mambo yatamsumbua fikira zake zitasumbuka hata lala hata kula asa kama wewe ni mama wa mtu asa kama wewe ni mtoto wa mtu asa wewe ni baba wa mtu whatever you are to the other relative kule kujinyonga kule kujiua kuna madhara mengi ya kisaikolojia kwa watu wote na familia and by the way hata watu wa familia watu wengine wana kejeli watu wengi wakiwaambia nyinyi ni ile familia ya kujiua
no bali mo wita
yes
umujono uri asanto ba wita
yes even intermarriages people will say no usiwe katika hiyo boma
huko wanajiwa
yes stigmatization is very high for families left behind so there is that consequence then there is this student a bright student there is this father a very supportive father
yes
when you die ukijua umemwachia nani jukumu lako ile nafasi yako wewe kama the only son the only son so daughter in university whatever position that you have now that you have committed suicide who takes up your position look into the eyes angalia macho ya mama yako angalia macho ya bwana yako ya bibi yako ndugu zako uangalie uulize ikiwa mimi nimejitoa uhai nimejitia kitanzi ngai abana bane batigara ngai mama uminda tigara ngakima tatago chakoba so those consequences they are social they are economic but most importantly mwana wandu 20p have a very important value in the tag as in yourself told you to tongue so by the time to wait we lose two things from the developer's perspective from this life of autonomy all the investments all the hopes all the times all the monies everything abantu ba university asol kuko batige getiho gento kiyo gitakire just be stable beroro obororo mechando teyo ere forever there will always be a solution for every problem
andake abantu abatori birengeri binge asensemo ya nkioro cyo muntu yara akore ko nyara bakeni birengeri bibiyaye ko muntu akanya rubato mu cyando andake ranyara muntu arayeresere abantu bari abatori mechando osinjuko chikoeresero muntu nkyagwetera kuna basacha abange ebakorera ime yabo osinjuko ereso muntu ntorate buna basacha
lero twarenge kanisa Central Church twateba okero muntu natakera twara an opportunity to grieve alire agrieve for loss whatever loss it is muntu ndi tarengeri nga muntu yarate yime cyano yaye every person the human toyo no ogo trust orate bienga tunandiga boyfriend yane jantiketi girlfriend yane jantiketi mo share a problem shared is a halfway solved so muntu ndi tebeka amenyeze aribweka no one of us is alone 20p mtobwata some appeal somewhere there is an anchor somewhere kuna mtu ambaye anataka sana kukusikiza so don't give up talk to your mother talk to your sister talk to anybody even if they are not family members tell them what you are going through
do you think okwana umuntu yegenteke mu cyane tenkera
itapunguka at least somebody will listen to you namba yemo namba ya kabiri you will know somebody knows namba ya gatatu umuntu yorengera itago okonya nago okonya no human being is of no value kero umuntu nabwo ategenda rago okonya atakakonya ti directly ne advice atakoye tikibese nabago agukwana n'umuntu ne akoligerie what can give you the next day so ntobwent to give up
lakini egendo cyabireke kwaneka mona osikoliga mona mona basacha inakuboria endre abasacha mona mona abange ngotara rama ko muno no kuba cyenga cyabo lakini tayi ko kwana isika tari kote imuntu okunime cyanderi yaye
onateba umuralia mwanya bantu abo mukungu abo musacha by the way tikandi gadi inte ya basacha na aba umuntu na muyiboire ne kuikamanye 10 years more kukubwa for one reason abangina abayiga ukorera bari kerempanya ojoko abangina abayiga ngote bibara abantu bandi ngote bimamu mwabo ngote bibara mwabo okura ate yabana baye ci problem cyaye kiri cyare komoleta depression cyare komoleta stress cyapunguka so ndaga ngote yabasacha ngote ko babasacha babe mwanya abantu we should be human beings, stop being a man. And if you are a man, even if you think you are a man, I am mwanya bantu. Onye yesu orerete somo saraba. Yes akarera ekarora sarakwet. Who are you not to weep? Who are you not to cry? Cry helps. Na indego ikatonyorana opportunity to see ke chirumu chetu tumurerere nyasaye torera marigaru orro. What could cause us harm in our hearts? Tutware depression, tutware hypertension and blood pressure and the cardiac arrest. To be able to share by sharing with people and telling people. If you can't tell them, then write it online. Now that there is online, write it online. Share with a group in online. There are many forums. Yes.
Is it necessary? Abantu chifamiri ko tora guidance and counseling umuntu ko bakwanera umurandia umukundekane wasoko twara umuntu ko sokora abataro oraba kwandra asokunyara ko kindi family
nada konyoro chinzante bigura remedies tufanya nini tuepukane na huku kujiua
najinda tora kunera na ibiro bikomyoka. Now
number one we need every family needs a mental health service provider. Tunahitaji mtu wa kuangalia maslahi ya kiakili ya kila familia such that this person as an expert anakuwa na wakati wa kudadisi na kuangalia kila mmoja wa familia member kama ako na changamoto yoyote ile ya kiakili ya msongo wa kiakili. Number one. Number two, it is important kila mtu ajumuike na mambo ya mental health as family members. Sometimes people need to talk as a family. Wazungumzie waseme tunahitaji afya ya kiakili. Tunahitaji kuzungumza as a family, as a father, as a family head, whether it's single parent or whatever kind of family. Watu wanahitaji kuzungumzia afya ya kiakili. Then there should be a standby psychiatric. There should be a standby mental health service provider ambaye kama familia mnaweza kuwapigia mkiona mambo kama yale ambayo nimesema. You call upon this guy to come and talk to these children, to these youth. They also need a lot of counseling. But remember, you must guide them. Wafanyiwe guidance kwanza, wakifuata mkondo wa guidance kuongozwa itakuwa ni vizuri. Lakini yule ambaye amepatoka kidogo aletewe counselor sasa ambaye atamtibu kiakili na kumwelekeza vizuri amtoe katika that condition of depression, of anxiety, of stress. So lazima tuwe na utaratibu wa familia na kwa shule na kila kanisani, even at church. Watu wanahitaji support ya counselors in the church because there are no more stress in the church than in the world outside there. Why? Kanisani watu wanaamini sisi ni wa Mungu. Kwa hivyo badala ya kufuata hata sheria za nchi to follow the law, they want to persevere in the name of Christianity. And therefore depression, compression, stress piles up. So by the time utakuja kugundua mtu amejiua. So we need to have
stress in chiro.
Yes, a lot of it. People are fighting. There are many things to fight over. Jambo jingine, kila mtu katika kila familia awe na network. Have a connection. Have somebody to can find to have your brother, your sister, your brother's wife, your sister. In the community and the family. Tusikae kama Highland. Hatuwezi mtu hata mwenye unaweza kukopesha 100 at least kuwe na mtu mwenye utaweza kufanya kuambia jambo hilo. Jambo jingine zote tupate mafunzo ya coping mechanisms and the problem solving techniques in the processes. Watu wajue nikipatikana na tatizo kama hili nifanye hili lini, nikishindwa kula nifanye nini baada ya kutumia pesa zangu? Nikifeli mtihani baada ya kurudia mara nyingine nifanye nini? Nikipoteza boyfriend ama girlfriend wangu katika wakati huu wa changamoto hizi, wakati maisha yamekuwa magumu hivi, nifanye nini? There should be a backup. There should be a second option. Let us not stay as islands.
Alright.
Alafu kuna kitu kingine, watu wakubali hali zao jinsi ambavyo walivyo.
Ai umuntu itebera ndibunare.
Yes. It is always important to understand what is your family background. It is always important to know what kind of person can you relate to. Yes. Utaanza kukoti na nani, courtship unafanya na nani, unaanza kudate na nani. Such that usijiweke kitanzi mwenyewe by getting into a relationship that will be toxic.
Yes.
Tujaribu kuepukana na mambo ya korezo, mambo ambayo yako na chances ya to expose to being tempted to think life has no meaning, life has lost meaning. So we need to do that. Then we need to avoid bad company. Kila mmoja atambue company yako nayo. Mtu ambaye mnatembea naye anakufaidi vipi? As in, what does this person give?
Umuntu muda anarenki yako
okonya. Ni gako amasomo chibe sekrochi akwari. Koko nyoro umuntu tagete kokoira tagete omugorere kugumugorera chikwera. Friendship is not there. This person is getting you out of track of life. So have a friend that you can count on.
All right.
Be in company where a person you can easily introduce to Mheshimiwa. Like I can say, I can tell Mheshimiwa. Yes, Mheshimiwa. This guy Onyanja is my friend.
Yes.
We have been walking this path.
Yes.
I'm proud of him, and we can always tell our friends to our families, tell our friends to other people, so that we don't hide people who can mislead us.
Yes.
Otherwise, most importantly, there is no situation that is desperate that forever has no return point. Why? Every one of us has a talent. Kila mmoja wetu ako na talanta kadogo katalanta. Kama unaweza kuimba, imba. Kama unaweza kuingia katika mambo ya entertainment, ingia. If you can come to TV show and have programs like my friend Onyanja is having, and is going interviewing people like so, and this is just a talent.
Yes.
Do it.
Yeah.
Do not waste time sitting and idling, petting and wasting money for nothing. Because petting has taken our boys. Petting has made our boys lose fees. It has made our boys lose girlfriends. Because once they pet and lose the money, they lose everything and they think the world has come to an end. So let us have a reason to engage in our talents, a reason to concentrate in what we can do. Abana baitu bamanyenki bamwende wakora buka abanyene batari kuboya abayobori babo, and if there is need babori abana abayobori babo tonyo barekero umuntu bwetene nire. Ntendo tena, there is nothing that is the end of anything.
Kila ndanoge kunyarikana.
Kuguma time is not the end of anything. Losing a country is not the end of anything.
Yes. It's not the end of anything.
It's not the end of anything. Losing a job is not the end of anything. There is nothing that is the end of anything. Losing money is not the end of everything. Losing an elective post is not the end of everything. There will always be a new beginning.
Yes.
There is a better tomorrow, a very bright and better future. A future that people eat while they are seated. Where people will come and tell you, no, it's a me. Now I will come and you will be having a lot to share and give them.
Very good.
They will always.
Is it necessary? Very everything as a family. Korasoka na abana babanda baratara sigetiga baregokia barasanga umuyiburi simukia abana baranda sikoiga bagora kende basanga na abana. Is it healthy?
Very healthy. Muiburi umungena, muiburi umugaka, whether you have or you don't have. Litke mori weekend, anye mubu atebeza muku gora ken, mogene manga mori ne manga igorali, mori gele guchi manganze. Mogene makonyora muku bwata chibeza nzini, mogene esabana baguchi ba kontimu, asa maja ko nyago etaiga. Abantu baete chi ase chi pa machi ko etaboge karoti chindo chibogeka, barigie amauga baenane, bana bachi this kind of activities, chiko refreshing. Then it's a bond families. Abantu bakorana opportunities choko manya. Abagugani indi naende kabago ja koirusko. Indi naende kabago ja kumbera na bagende Camel Park. Ndi bago ja konyora na time bagende Magharibi Hotel. Ndi bago ja konyora li bagende busonge kero musara bu mutinyo ali tato mwabago go chips and the rest. So abana bakonyora mbagote many things to do. They will love to live and support that family, and they will really think there is a better.
Igomo na tatu waram beauty family eri moisika baje bare go kyande bairana.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Ngana yo mori to chukora mai ko mori to Mheshimiwa hapa video meka to chukora your last word.
Ingana ria nilio mwezi na gukwana. nataka nkwane uno mwihuri nkwane bune chairman Amnesty International nende nkwane uno mwalimu wa matkamange kubwa muno ya wasomia bana wa university. Ningependa kuwahimiza watoto wetu, wana wetu. It doesn't matter maisha yamekuwa magumu kiasi gani. Sisi wote ni wana wa Mungu na anatupenda. And we have a bright future, a very bright future. Ningependa kuomba waandishi wa habari, wana habari. Every time you're doing these clips, do not bring toxic clips only to the limelight and the exposure of our children. You are killing society. Some clips, some literature needs disclaimer before you put it to the limelight.
Which we do.
Ningewaomba tutafute ujumbe ambao unawahimiza na kuwapa moyo wana wetu, isiwe kwamba all the bad news, particularly in Kisii. There is no good news and no hope in Kisii news. In Kisii news, it's about suicide, it's about rape, it's about all this and all this. So nawaomba tu tukishirikiana zote, tuheshimu haki za watu wengine kwa kutotoa mambo ambayo hawaja kupa ruhusa uyaanike, na tuhakikishe kwamba mambo mengine ambayo tuyaanika yanafanya watu wanajiua because they think they have been known badly all over. So let us respect people's rights as human rights crusaders and proponents. Tuheshimu haki za waandishi wa habari, tuheshimu haki za wanasiasa, tuheshimu haki za kila mtu, na tujue kwamba hii familia tunayoishi nkeye tomenyete ya seto ya Gusii is the only home. By the way, we have had the worst of the times of Kisii County with the bad leadership. The bad models, role modeling in leadership is lost. So we have nobody to emulate. Hatuna mtu ambaye watoto wetu wanataka kuiga waseme wanataka kuwa na nani kama nani. So nawahimiza na nawaomba wanasiasa wajaribu kukaa, wale hasa wanasiasa wajaribu kuwa kielelezo chema while we are working from the university. If we work collaboratively with the university, with the hospitals and what have you, and see that things are working. Let me do this last parting shot. I don't see why there should be a strike when we have governments. We have a county government, we have a national government. Now, nobody is really addressing this right in the face. We as patients, tuna haki, na haki ya kutibiwa, haki ya kila kitu, ambayo inapatikana katika katiba hii. Madaktari wana uhuru na haki wa kugoma. But our rights, their rights do not override on our rights. So the government, who is supposed to be a mediator, who is supposed to be a tripartite partner in this agreement, who is supposed to look for alternative ways of sorting out this strike, the doctors want what is right as per the agreement. No. And if the government wants to change or change anything, they should look for an arbitrator, they should go back to court. We should not suffer for over 1 month and proudly say we have a government. We have a county government, we have a national government. To me, that is among us. The governments are among us and they are not working. Until they address this and give our people an opportunity to live, because watu wengi wamekufa, watu wengi wamepoteza maisha, watu wengi wamekufa wakizaa kwa sababu hawana madaktari. It is a shame and a big shame. So those in power, I tell you and I tell you, it's a big shame and shame on you.
Sante sana umwachumu bya nebirengere byaye Henry uyibona otware studio sema ko bayabona kwanira mange amangane abanyagitari na rigere twe Jumatatu na Jumaina seke sumuroberio wensakya amo na abarali baito Jobo na Wigo na Frida Kerubo. Umwachumu rigire bono, thank you very much Mr. Henry kwa kufika ndani ya Ndiziti. Nashukuru sana wasemi yabaguzi baito na bamanyira mange anemoro yamangana yaba kuntukurushi bugima. Nashukuru sana.
Thank you sir.
Right, umwachumu rigire bono korugabu tate kogendo mutumokomoke ingirena omujumbe yokobera omujumbe anabona wasebungeria yabonchari Pavel Meke alega aika mapema sana abare bakoyera kabisa baikina semester tujosanga mango tukona mange korubonchari matabanchari na banga bato nyanza takwa ndani tubwate mangana kura tole nkwana koburi kondo wensi ojase Pavel Meke monchumuriria igobona na sebere tere bitambe korubono tujigosanga monere no wale semende studio nko mwala tandeka iga SMS yiga ekyombune gya siasa tusanga monere asemarwa yabono baikachiza isano chiabutuko tumulikira manga na kyobora ibole na ria karatana kone sema yabo nchali gedikyande gati anda manga turachi kumulikira sema rwa yabon toska kona turaseke kero busirite na nchenkuru ko Vincent Onyancho.